Who says work has to be boring? These people are so talented and dedicated that they literally turn work into art. Sit back and enjoy this satisfying compilation. This woman deals with thousands of bees a day and needs nothing more than her own two hands to get the job done. I always thought the outer squares were meant to be black. Ugh. And I thought my cable management was good. This guy took Jenga to a whole new level. This is what Minecraft players do the second they come outside, don't they? This man recreates famous artworks using his nail gun. I hope this man is getting a nice payday. This is what happens when planes are discontinued and aren't worth keeping around for repair. It looks like this pool has never been cleaned, but thankfully, this man was just the right guy to call. And that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe and also tell us what your hidden talent is down in the comments.